welcome to the news. We just found out Nature Princess, aka Jasmine Star Whisper, just ran off. We don't know where, we don't know what planet. There's been 3 spaceships to 7 different planets, I think. If you guys find her, let us know. Let us know, please. Call 913-913-9139. That's our number, our hotline. Please call. If you don't mind, just please, okay? We really can't find her and we need her ASAP. We're not kidding. She just went missing today as of 11 a.m. So we need to find her. Okay? Please help us. Okay? And we'll let you know every day where she is, okay? Bye.